names are Natland's generational legacy. They are records of our past and chronicles of our heroes.
That's your first role too. Could it be someone from
Behind every echo, a timeless victory. Every canopy, an unseen conflict.
Scions?
And every spring, a heated battle. From one generation to the next, history can change. The slightest distortion poisons our legacy.
Kind of leading the lead right there. Leading the melody there.
Well, that's what Vision is. I was looking at something else.
Power means you never yield.
Protect others at your peril.
Interesting.
Fact. Legacy. And true history. That is what I forge. The blood of this land. A hero. It is engraved in stone. Their legacy. In this name. This blessing. Forged in flame.
Wait, is that?
I'm so confused.
War goes on.
That I haven't reached yet.
Is complete.